the throat ulcers. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about the homeopathic treatment for the throat ulcers, along with the best homeopathic medicines that has been successfully used for the treatment of throat. Explore what throat ulcers are, their potential causes, their symptoms, and how to care for and manage this condition. So, if you are suffering from throat ulcers, then this video is definitely for you. So, watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. So, let's start. So, let's understand the meaning of throat ulcer. So, throat ulcers are also called as aphthous ulcers or canker sores. They are highly painful open sores that develop on the mucous membrane of the throat, mouth, and sometimes on the lips. These ulcers can make talking, eating, and swallowing painful and challenging. I hope the meaning of throat ulcers or aphthous ulcer is clear to you guys. Now, next, we'll talk about the causes of throat ulcers. So, what are the potential causes which are responsible for throat ulcers? So, first and the foremost cause is minor trauma. So, accidental biting of the cheeks, irritation from braces or dental appliances or dental burr can cause minor trauma and lead to ulcers. Second cause we have is stress. So, emotional stress and anxiety can weaken the immune system and trigger ulcer formation. Third cause is food sensitivities. Some individuals may develop ulcers in response to certain foods, especially those that are acidic or spicy food. Next cause is viral infections. So, certain viral infections, such as a herpes simplex virus, can cause throat ulcers. Next cause is nutritional deficiencies. A lack of essential vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin B and iron, can make a person more prone to ulcers. And the last cause is autoimmune conditions. So, conditions such as Beckett's disease and inflammatory bowel disease, that is IBD, Crohn's, and ulcerative colitis can lead to the development of the ulcers in the mouth and the throat. So these are the potential causes which are responsible for throat ulcers. Now next we'll talk about the clinical features, that is what are the symptoms of throat ulcers. So you might have these symptoms along with throat ulcers. They are mouth sores, trouble swallowing, white or red patches in your throat, fever, pain in your mouth or throat, lump in your back, bad breath, trouble moving your jaw, heartburn, and chest pain. Now, next, we'll talk about the treatment. So, what is the ultimate treatment for throat ulcers? So, yes, we are talking about the homeopathic medicine, homeopathic treatment for throat ulcers or aphthous ulcers. So, let's talk about the homeopathic treatment. So, homeopathy offers an effective management of throat ulcers. These medicines help in preventing further worsening of the condition and healing of the ulcers in gradual manner along with the symptom management. These The reasons behind it may vary, so it is advised to start any homeopathic medicine under the supervision of a homeopathic physician who can prescribe medicine after a detailed case evaluation. Homeopathy is recommended only when symptoms are mild to moderate and no serious cause is linked with it. In case symptoms are serious, like high fever, choking, difficulty in breathing, hard consciousness, vomiting of blood, or chest pain, it is advised to take urgent help from conventional mode of treatment, that is allopathy. Also, if cancer is diagnosed, one must take immediate medical aid from conventional mode of treatment. Now let's talk about the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of throat ulcers. So first medicine that you can see here on the screen is Merxol. So Merxol is a very effective homeopathic medicine for treating throat ulcers. The primary indication are redness in the throat feels sore, a burning or tickling sensation is also felt in the throat. There may occur stitching pain in the throat on swallowing food. The stitching pain can extend from the throat to the ears. A bad putrid odor from the mouth may accompany above symptoms. There may be dark there may be dark red tonsils with ulcers, dry throat, and a hoarse, rough voice. Second medicine for throat ulcers we have is nitric acid. So this medicine is indicated for the throat ulcers with shooting type of pain. They There may also occur sharp or the stinging pains. The pain from the throat may extend to the ears. The ulcers are red in the center with bluish margins, or they may occur white patches in the throat. Ulcers may appear on the tonsils. They are flat and may be white or grayish in color. The throat is also inflamed. There is a burning and soreness in the throat, attends mostly while drinking liquid. There is a dryness of the throat, attends along with difficult swallowing when sharp splinter like pain occurs. There is a metallic taste in the mouth, and bad breath may also be present along with all the symptoms I have discussed. Now, third medicine for throat ulcers is Kelivicrome. So, this homeopathic medicine is considered when there are ulcers in the throat that are filled with thick white matter that looks like cheese. This matter has an offensive smell. The ulcers have well defined borders and elevated edges. The tonsils are inflamed and have small ulcers on it. There is a dryness in the mouth and the throat, along with a sore throat and tough mucus. The mucus is thick, viscid, stringy, that can be drawn out like a long thread. Fourth medicine we have is Apis. So, Apis mellifica is the next important homeopathic medicine for the throat ulcers. It is indicated when stinging, burning is present in the throat, along with the ulcers. The throat is swollen, red, and inflamed. Along with hoarse voice, there is a pain while swallowing solids and while talking. A feeling of a foreign body being stuck in the throat is also present. Next medicine we have is Arum trifilum. This medicine is indicated for ulcers with the fetid discharges. This is attended with the constant scratching and burning in the throat. Dryness in the throat, soreness of the throat is well marked. Swallowing is difficult with this, and a thick mucus is present in the throat with a tickling cough. Sixth medicine we have is borax. So this homeopathic medicine is indicated for the ulcers in the fauces. Fauces means the cavity at the back of the mouth which leads into pharynx. There is a tough white mucus in the throat. It can be loosened and expectorated with excessive effort only. There is a roughness and burning in the throat with a feeling to scratch it from inside. Next homeopathic medicine we have is hydrastis. Hydrastis is a very good homeopathic medicine for throat ulcers with a foul odor. So, this medicine is valuable for managing cases having ulcers in the throat with the foul odor, bad smell, you can say. Okay, so important accompanied symptom is hawking of yellow tenacious mucus from the posterior nares. Pain is felt on swallowing with constant rawness, that is, irritation in the throat. There is redness, swelling, and itching in the throat. Other than this, tingling and smarting, that is, burning sensation, is felt in the throat. Now, our last homeopathic medicine for the throat ulcers